Hello everyone, in this video, let's learn how to solve this challenging integral from the MIT Integration B 2025. Alright, the integral of sine 4s cosine s over cosine 2s sin s ds. Alright, recall we have the formula sine 2s equals 2 sine s cosine s. This one is the double angle formula. Alright. Now, observe that this angle right here always double this one and this one, right? So if you have sine 4s right here, this guy must be 2s. This guy must be 2s, right? So I'm gonna print this one over here. So it turns out to be the antiderivative of 2 sine 2s cosine 2s times cosine s over cosine 2s times sine s ds, right? Now this guy cancel out, right? Now sine 2s right here, I can apply this formula one more time. So it's gonna be the antiderivative of 2 times 2 sine s cosine s, right, times cosine s over sine s ds, right? Now this guy and this guy cancel out, right? So you have the antiderivative of 4. I'm gonna put in the front, right? Because 2 times 2 cosine times cosine could be cosine square of s ds, right? Now cosine square of s equals 1 plus cosine 2s over 2, right? So then I print it over here. It turns out to be the antiderivative of 1 plus cosine 2s over 2. I put 4 outside, right? ds. Now 4 and 2 right here cancel out, right? So I have 2 left, right? So it can be 2 times antiderivative of 1 plus cosine 2s all together ds, right? Now it's gonna be 2 times antiderivative of 1 is gonna be s. This guy is gonna be plus 1/2 sine 2s plus c, right? Now I'm gonna distribute 2, so it can be 2s plus sine 2s plus c. This one is the final answer. If you have another way to solve this problem, please leave a comment, and it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.